Hello there, I'm Cafe Khan and welcome to my Android tutorials. Today I'll be helping you installing Android Studio and setting up the SDK. To install Android Studio, you first gotta download it from Android developers. So let's hit the site. To download the exe file, you gotta hit this green button. And once it's downloaded, you have to run the exe file. But I've already downloaded it, so let's run it. This is the Android Studio installer dialog. You gotta hit the next button to proceed to the next step. There's an option to either install or not install Android virtual device, but we're gonna do it. You can choose any location you want. Just keep that in mind that Android Studio and the SDKs take lots of space. So I've got plenty of space in C, so I'm gonna go with C. Now you just gotta hit the install button to install it. The Android Studio is installing now, so let's wait. The Android Studio is now installed, so let's run it. It's installing some SDK components. This is the welcome wizard of Android Studio. Let's hit the next button. We have an option for standard or custom settings. I would go with the standard because that's recommended. You have an option between a light or dark theme. My personal preference is Dracula, so let's hit next. It's showing the current settings used to install Android Studio. Everything seems fine, so let's hit the finish button. Now it's downloading the required SDKs, so let's wait for some time. Well, all the SDKs are downloaded and installed successfully, so let's hit the finish button. Now the installation of the Android Studio and setting up the SDK is done. So that's all for today. In the next video, we'll be working on layouts and views. If you had any issue or if you have any issue in installing or downloading the SDKs or Android Studio, feel free to drop a comment. See you in the next video.